Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this pan grilled scallops with the special dipping sauce. This is great for any kind of occasion, especially Valentine's Day. You want to impress someone with a great recipe? Try this out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have 2 videos every week. Let's get started with this sauce first. In a food processor, I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now, when you add mayonnaise, make sure it's a very good quality, not a lot of sugar in it. I have 1 big garlic clove and 1 tablespoon of shallot. Make sure you're using shallot because the shallot gives that distinctive flavor. Here I have 2 tablespoons of dill. If you don't find dill, you can use chives. Add that to the blender. Here I have half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Goes into the blender. 1 tablespoon sweet relish. Add to the blender. 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. 1/8 teaspoon of salt. If you want to add more, go ahead and add it. I am using 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. If you can't find them, you can use the regular vinegar. 1 tablespoon capers that I drained water completely. Just add the capers to the blender. Now we are going to process this for 20 seconds. Now make sure you don't make it a smooth paste. We want it to have nice texture to it. So just pulse it 20 seconds or less. Now as you can see, it looks nice consistency. This is what we are looking for. Check for seasoning. You can prepare this sauce 24 hours to 1 week in advance and put it in the airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. This sauce is to die for. This goes with any kind of seafood or even a white meat. Now that sauce is to die for. That's beautiful sauce. Now let's get started with the scallop. Here I have 1 pound of scallop that I put in a paper towel to drain any excess oil. You don't want any kind of moist in the scallop before we start grilling them. I am also heating my pan on high heat. Make sure your pan is really hot. Now I have 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any neutral oil, and to this I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I have not added pepper, but go ahead and add pepper if you like. Now I'm going to generously brush the oil on the scallop. Now once you brush oil on the scallop, now put the scallop oil side down in the pan and you should hear the sizzling sound. And also when you add the scallops in the pan, make sure you have enough space between each scallop so that it doesn't steam away and cooks and grills nicely. You want that nice color, and also you don't want too much moist in the pan, then it will become soggy and will not give a good color. Now go ahead and brush the rest of the oil on top of the scallop. Now let it grill for 4 minutes depending on your heat. Now let me flip it and show you guys. It looks beautiful. Go ahead and flip all the scallops, and if you find your scallop, some of them are not grilled properly, then go ahead and put them on a high heat side so that you get nice even color. And also make sure you don't overcook them, then it becomes tougher. Now when you remove that in a plate, you also make sure you have enough space so that it doesn't steam away as it is hot. Now it's time for plating. Go ahead and plate them. Remove your sauce from the refrigerator, and just before serving, just add the sauce on the scallop. Right there you have this high-end restaurant style scallop with this beautiful delicious dipping sauce. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.